Hello friends, this is Mrs. Dennis and welcome to another read aloud. And this is not the same read aloud that we've been reading. This is Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, and this is part 2 of that. So remember, we already did part 1, so here's part 2. So we're going to start off with vocabulary. And vocabulary for Aladdin is Sultan, the king of Muslim country, right? The king of a Muslim country is called the Sultan. The genie is a magical person or creature that grants the wishes of the person who rubs the ring or lamp. So if you've seen Aladdin before, you know about the magic genie and the 3 wishes, right? And the magic lamp. Yep. A glimpse is a quick look. So if you look really quickly at something, you just take a glimpse. And wow, everyone's heard of wow, W-O-W. It's astounding or amazing. Servant. A servant is a person who is told what to do in order to perform tasks for others. A palace, a large, fancy home of a king or queen. Radiant is a shining bright. Celebrate, to have a party or do something special for a particular occasion or event. So let's think about the plot or the events that happen in the story, right? From Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, part 1. So here's what I want you to remember about Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, part 1. I want you to remember that. And these are the events in the order in which they happen, right? So a stranger appeared to Aladdin and claimed to be his uncle, right? That was the first part. Then a stranger met Aladdin's mother. That same stranger met Aladdin's mother. Then the magician lit a fire and uttered some magical words. The magician gave Aladdin a ring to protect him. Aladdin found the lamp hanging from a tree. Aladdin stuffed his bag with glittery things. And then Aladdin was locked in the cave. So those are just some of that's the plot, right? That's what happened in our first chapter. Let's make a prediction. What do you think will happen in the next chapter? We know that Aladdin was locked in the cave. Do you think he'll get out? Do you think the magician will let him out? Do you think he's going to get out on his own? Do you think he's going to be stuck down there forever? What do you think? So I want you to remember our table of contents that we talked about. And today we are going to read chapter 2. Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, part 2. So that's where we're going to start. So friends, this was just a quick little intro to our story. And the next video, I'm going to read the story. All right, friends, that's all for now.